Hi guys, good morning and welcome. I've got a trending gist for you today. bbnaija Ike confesses love to Messi. Also meet bbnaija Tacha's new boyfriend. I can't wait to show the world how much I love you. bbnaija Ike confesses love to Messi. Ex bbnaija housemates Ike and Messi are set to launch their own reality TV show. Recall that Ike and Messi were a couple in the 2019 Big Brother show in which Messi emerged as winner. Their relationship started having problems after the show ended as news of Messi dating Willie Exo surfaced. The two lovebirds were no longer seen together as it was reported that Messi allegedly dumps Ike. Ike also shared the blame with recent reports of him getting a girl pregnant in the US. Meanwhile, last week, OAP Daddy Freeze revealed that Messi Ike and Nigerian-American rapper Willie Exo are in a relationship. This report came after he successfully interviewed Willie Exo. Now, Ike took to his Instagram page to still declare his love for Messi, despite rumors suggesting their love story already ended. See what he wrote. He said, "Looking back at how it all started, from a house full of strangers, I fell in love with my beautiful queen, a love that was rare and magical. I knew it was you my heart wants, and I can't wait to show the world our love. 5 days away from the premiere, nothing or no one can stop us." Although both acts are expected to kickstart their reality show together in coming days. The show, titled Messi and Ike Reality Show, will premiere on April 26, 2020 on African Magic Showcase DSTV channel 151. Do you think Ike and Messi still share that fire love? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. In other news, guys, meet bbnaija Tacha's new boyfriend as he posted her pictures on Instagram. See his identity. Ghanaian dancehall king Shatta Wale has continued to shower love and affection towards Tacha. The singer revealed he is in love with Tacha and can't wait to come to Nigeria to see her. Recall a few days ago, Shatta Wale had posted a picture of Tacha on Instagram saying he wished this pretty queen was his bestie, of which Tacha responded saying, "Oh, bestie goes." This shows there is a connection between the two of them. Few hours ago, Shatta Wale posted another picture of Tacha in a breast-bearing, flowery pattern dress. He wrote, "I'm going to Nigeria to see this fine girl." Tacha, in her response to Shatta Wale's caption, said, "Oh, bestie, wait, let me come and cook for you." The controversial singer professed love for Tacha has attracted lots of reaction from fans on Instagram, some revealing Shatta Wale and Tacha might be dating secretly. It will be so much fun having these two controversial stars in a relationship. What do you think, guys? Drop your comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.